Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to delete the search history on YouTube on your PC, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you how exactly you can delete the YouTube search history from your PC. So to do that, just open any browser of your PC. I'm opening Google Chrome and go to the YouTube website. So now just click on this three menu and here you can see this history option. Just click on this history tab. It will take you on another page where you can see the history of your watches and search history. In the right side panel you can see clear all history, pauses and manage all history. You need to click on this manage all history. It will take you on another window. Now scroll down a little bit. Now you can see there are two icons and in the right side you can see the delete option. Just click on this to get more options. Now click on delete all time and it will delete your all watches and all search history. Now delete and got it. Okay. Just wait a few seconds, it will delete all the history of your YouTube and you can go to YouTube and reload this. See, our all history is deleted. This is how you can delete all the history, all the search history on YouTube from your PC. So if this video helped you, please like and comment and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.